Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Easy Maths Learning. I am Shantan Dhar and today I am going to explain you the different concepts related to an angle. So the first of all what comes is the definition of an angle. So let us see what the definition of an angle says. So according to the definition of an angle, we see that it says in plane geometry, a figure which is formed by two rays or lines that shares a common endpoint is called an angle. The word angle is derived from the Latin word angulus, which means corner. The two rays are called the sides of an angle, and the common endpoint is the vertex of the angle. We can see here how the picture of an angle looks like and how an angle is named. Suppose it is A O B. This is the symbol of an angle, and it can be named as either angle AOB or angle BOA. Always remember the common endpoint or the vertex should be at the middle of the nomenclature. That is, when we are writing the name of the angle, O is the vertex here, so O is always at the middle, whether we start from A or whether we start from B. Next we move on to the different types of angles. So now we are going to learn about the different types of angles. So we can see there are mainly 9 different types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, adjacent angle, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and vertically opposite angles. Acute angle basically means the angles which are lesser than 90 degree, that means which lies between 0 degree to 89 degree, you can say. Right angle means the angle which is exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angles are angles which are greater than 90 degree or greater than right angle and lesser than 180 degree or straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Usually a straight line, the angle of a straight line is called the straight angle. Angles, next comes reflex angle. Angles greater than 180 degree and lesser than 360 degree are called reflex angle. Adjacent angles, the two angles which lie side by side sharing the common vertex and a common arm are called adjacent angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles are angles which add up two angles, rather two adjacent angles which add up to form 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles which add up to form 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Two angles which lie just opposite to each other is called vertically opposite angles, and they are same in measurements. We will now look at the different pictures along with their definitions of these different angles, how they look like. So we can see here the different types of angles along with their pictures, how they look like. So acute angle looks like this. It is, as I told you, it is lesser than 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree, is just a perpendicular line standing on the base. Obtuse angle is an angle which looks like this and is greater than 90 degree and lesser than 180 degree. Straight angle is a straight line. The angle in the middle of it is called the straight angle. It measures 180 degree. Reflex angle, as I told, it's more than 180 degree and is lesser than 360 degree. So it's basically the angle after 180 degree. So 180 degree is a straight line, so if this ray turns below, that is called the reflex angle, and the angle formed on the outside of it is called the reflex angle. Adjacent angles, as I said, are two angles lying side by side sharing a common ray or common arm along with the same vertex. Complementary angles are two adjacent angles which add up to form complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are also two adjacent angles which are standing on the same straight line, and they add up to form 180 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Here angle 1 and 2 are vertically opposite angles, and as we can see, they are equal in measurement and are just on opposite sides of each other. So this is the basic concept of the different types of angles. We will get several sums on the basis of this concept. So this is a very important thing. That's it for today about the angles. There are several other things in geometry which we will come later on. Thank you very much.